Hello, UXRConf. My name is Carlos, and I am a UX Research Manager in the Growth Business Unit at Nubank, a Brazilian startup and the world's largest neobank. I joined the company 2 years ago as one of only 3 researchers. Now we are a team of more than 50, allocated across more than 15 business verticals. When I arrived at Growth, there was significant research debt, since there had never been an allocated researcher in the team. With more than 7 squads, it was clear that there was a deep need for strategic research that would empower the different teams to think innovatively and work towards our company goal of attracting 100 million fanatical customers into Nubank. The teams were constantly creating and iterating on new solutions to improve our funnel's conversion and activation rates. But I soon noticed that on a daily basis, it was difficult to prioritize strategic, macro-level research initiatives in favor of more tactical, urgent ones, since we had to deliver fast to impact our OKRs. Furthermore, there was a lot of thirst for new approaches that would help us grow exponentially. This is where the big research comes in. In Portuguese, you can loosely translate this as pesquisona, which became a funny term to refer to a research project so big and so ambitious that we couldn't really call it any other way. A couple of months after my arrival, I devised a multi-method research battery to study the end-to-end user experience at Growth, from applications to registration, onboarding, and activation. Sure, I worked hard to create this methodology, bringing all their learnings from my previous role as a strategic designer, but I was pleasantly surprised to see the kind of innovative thinking that this research approach sparked, and the way it allowed our teams to derive product strategy from user research. Soon, other business units at Nubank were eager to try out this model. I want to present this talk next to Cacao Fonseca, a dear colleague and design manager who has been one of our biggest advocates and who has real direct examples of design interventions and experiments that were derived from this research approach, allowing us to grow our activation rate from 49 to above 70%, to redesign our member-get-member approach at Growth, and go beyond that to rethink our acquisition strategy overall, bringing together product and engineering along the way. We have worked very hard to institutionalize this research effort and grow our product teams. Now eagerly await the big research at the beginning of each year. Here's a sneak peek. We use data triangulation always to use interviews, online diaries, user activity dashboards, and business analytics all in the same project to arrive at better insights. We were live action, no prototypes allowed. So we ran the research on our acquisition funnel in real time and with a diverse base of users. We recruited different disciplines from the company to come watch, and we all debriefed later. Thirdly, we identified those promising areas of research and then ran spin-offs to deep dive into specific topics that later inform product roadmaps or even became new features. And fourthly, the key role that collaboration and fun can play in bringing other disciplines along to bring more strategically to think about more strategically about any digital product, not only growth and acquisition funnels. That's it. Thanks so much, and we hope to bring the learnings from the big research at Nubank to UXRConf this year.